Hey friends, I am beyond excited. I have a new Erin Condren unboxing to share with you, and it's in this ugly box. All right guys, welcome to another video. So I ordered, as you can tell by the title of this, the Daily Duo and some other stuff. Now, I didn't get the Erin Condren box, which was super surprising. I did pick quicker shipping so that it would get here quickly. Sometimes that week-long free shipping takes longer than a week. Look at this box. I hope my stuff is okay. But I can't wait to show you all the stuff I got, and hopefully everything's intact. Okay, so you didn't hear the crinkling. I opened it. All right, the very first thing I got was the planner Folio. And this smells like a wetsuit, and I think it feels like one too. I wanted to get something to take my planner on the go. So when we're on vacation, if I need to take it to the office or whatever, I just don't want it to get wrecked or spilled on. And so I got my name on it, and then I got this gorgeous pattern. And then I've ordered these in years past, and it didn't have this. I think this is the spot for your planner card, and then it's got a spot to put some things. So you can put a couple pens, you know, some stickers, some things, and I love that because it used to be just, it would unzip to like here. It's been a few years since I've ordered this, but it's got the Erin Condren logo here. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Cannot wait to use that. I'm gonna let it air out a little bit. Okay, I decided to move the box out of the way. The next thing I got was a stencil. I mainly got it for these little boxes so I could do those really good. And then I love the arrows, but I just figured it'd be really nice. And then here is what I am most excited about. I ordered the Daily Duo. I did not get the rose gold coil because I upgraded on that for my hourly. And I figured this planner is gonna be different. I'm gonna play in it every day. And if you love making lists every day, you love decorating, you love stickers, highlighters, that's why I got this, was to play. A great place for a daily list, a great place to daily plan to just know what's coming up that day. So for my main planner, my hourly, I'm going to be using primarily Planner Kate, and in here, I'm going to be just having fun with whatever sticker shops are having a sale. Look, there's some fun goodies in here that are free. I will definitely do a move-in video. I'm working on some plan with me's if they're not already shared yet. And so my hourly planner is neutral and this one is the colorful. So let's kind of just flip through and take a look. This came with 2 books and there are lots of different video reviews on YouTube. I'm just gonna be sharing what this looks like. So it's 6 months at a glance, and then in the second book there's 6 months. And so it won't get too heavy. We've got all the typical Erin Condren colors here. They're all like jewel tones. I'm more of a neutral girl, but I just thought this would be fun to play with. So we have the monthly view. I'll share with you guys when I set it up how I'm planning on using this monthly view different than my neutrals because they're gonna be used for different things. So I already have a whole thing figured out of how I'm planning on using it, the dashboard, and then the list paper. This is just note paper. And I have to tell you guys, if you are a paper snob, like you love certain kind of paper, this paper is so nice. And I am certain they have upgraded it from years past because it's been a few years since I've ordered planners with Erin Condren. Oh, I have seen so many plan with me videos with this. So this is what the days look like. You have hours on the side. We have a spot for to do and then an empty square. And so every day can kind of write out and time block the day. And my idea is to use this for more of my habits and tracking, whereas the neutral is going to be just a life at a glance for our family. So each day I can kind of make a list for what's happening the next day and kind of plan it out. And then we have a weekend on one page, Saturday and Sunday. Sundays are pretty busy for us with church and all the different events we're part of, and Saturdays are pretty low key, so I don't think that'll be a problem. But I'm excited to jump in. So once we get to the end of the month, let's see what it looks like. All right, we have a note page at the end of the month, and then we jump into the next month. There's August colors, and then we have a note page, and we have the dashboard. All right, I'm gonna kind of scoot to the back of the book. Different colors here. All the fun colors. Yeah, normally I'm a neutral girl, so this is definitely out of my comfort zone. It did come with the second book. I got the colorful layers, but I do have a coupon so that I can get a different cover, which is kind of cool. All right, so let's get to the end of December and just get an idea of what this is going to look like in the back, because I've heard there's not a lot of note pages and I just want to see. So I have 1, 2, is that it? Stickers, which I'm going to put in my Erin Condren sticker book that I have shared here. Or if I haven't, it will be up soon. More stickers. That is it, guys. Oh my gosh, people aren't kidding. There are only a couple note pages. I have the pocket here, and then one of these perpetual calendars, which I don't know what I'm going to do with this one since I have one in my other. I don't know if I need to. And then gorgeous. Oh, these colors are just gorgeous. I had the hardest time picking between the neutral and the colorful. All right, and so then the next book, let's see kind of what the front looks like and how it goes. That is so not how it's supposed to go. It's upside down. Am I at the back? Hold on. I'm like, they totally got my calendar wrong. No, I just went upside down. Elizabeth, you dummy. Okay, that is so much better. Okay, let me know in the comment section below if you've ever ordered from Erin Condren and you've gotten something funny like that. That is not an abnormal thing to happen. It does happen. I've had pages where all of a sudden it's thrown into the wrong month. So I thought, oh, you've got to be kidding me. I've been waiting so long for this. I don't want it wrong. They're always so good about fixing it. At least that's been my experience. A spot for my name again. And then we have the last 6 months of the year and then 2021's calendar. So that's nice. Oh, and then we have all of 2022. So this goes, you can order it from this July to next July, or you can do next year January to December. So you can do the calendar year. But I wanted to play now, and their calendars and planners always come out in July. So I figured, let me start now because, you know. So January, and then the book looks the same. I do want to say that when you order, you want to flip through every page individually so that if you do have an oops like I thought I had, which I totally don't, you can get it fixed. Okay, so here's June, and then let's get to the end and just take a look. I'm just curious what the back looks like since all those days are going to be the same. So we have 1, 2, and that's it. Wow, that is not a lot of note pages. So you have to be like really strategic with what do you want to use these 2 for. There is not one at the end of the book, but there is like at the end of the months, but there's one before the month and one right after. So you do have them sprinkled in. So if you want to track things or plan things per month, I think that's helpful. Okay, so we have our 2 note pages, but we do get more stickers, which is nice. Look at all these gorgeous, colorful stickers. Birthday stickers. These are labels with the color on the end, which is so pretty. And then we have the pocket. That is the way it's supposed to go at the back. And then there's no perpetual calendar because I got it in the other one. So I'm planning on doing one plan with me in this. And then if you guys like it, I may do more. I will be setting up my monthly. I have some stickers ordered and they're not here yet of how I'm going to set up the months. But when they get here, I definitely will share. All right, guys, if you like these videos, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed to see more videos like this one. I share about health, wellness, organizing, all the things. And if you want to get your hands on Erin Condren goodies, I have a coupon code in the comment section for $10 off your first order. And I get $10 and they have the cutest stuff. So I'm so excited to play. It's going to be fun. All right, see you later, guys. Bye.